Hello guys, welcome to our channel Civil EdTech. To make your lockdown more productive, we are coming up with a series of videos featuring SketchUp application. SketchUp is a 3D modeling computer program for a wide range of drawing applications such as architectural, interior design, landscape architect, civil and mechanical engineering field. In this entire session, I will be using SketchUp Pro 2018 version for design and Twilight for rendering. You can use Lumion or V-Ray for rendering. So let's start with the first video of SketchUp. When you start SketchUp, the first page appears. Here you have to select a template in which you have to work. So let's start with SketchUp. This is the first page. Here you have to choose template. There are various templates provided by SketchUp. As you can see here, there are many templates. We have to choose the template according to our use. For beginners, I recommend simple template. Choose simple template in feet and inches if the design is given in feet and inches, and in meters if you have to work in meters. I will select meters and start using SketchUp. As you can see, this is the starting page of SketchUp. You will see a human on screen. Basically, there are three axes as you can see: red, green, and blue. Red is x-axis, green is y-axis, and blue is z-axis. So, as we know, you have to edit or do anything in SketchUp. So we need tools for that. So for bringing the tools, go in View, then into Class. So select Last Tool Set, Shadow. Now as I'm using Twilight Render, so I will select Twilight Render V2. This is the last tool set. This is the shadow option. This is Twilight Render. So we'll be seeing one by one the names. This is select. It is used for selecting any kind of object. Component, for making a component, that is a group. This is bucket, used for coloring. Eraser, if we have to erase something. Pencil, that is line, if you have to draw a straight line, then you can use this command. This is a freehand. If you have to draw any freehand lines, then you can use this command. This is rectangle, then rotated rectangle, circle, polygon, arc, 2-point arc, and 3-point arc. These are three various types of arcs which you can draw in SketchUp. This is path. Then these are the 6 tools which are used for move. So you have to move, if we have to move an object. This is push pull if we have to extend the object, and rotate if you have to rotate. Then if you have to follow any structure, then you can use this follow path. This is scale, then offset. In AutoCAD you have offset, the same option is provided in SketchUp. This is tape measurement tool, dimension, then protractor to measure angles, then text if you have to add text. This axis, if you have to move this axis here and there, then you can use this axis. This is 3D text. If you have to give names on your bungalow or anything, you can use the same. This is orbit. If you have to change the orbit, then you can use this tool. Then pan. If you have to move the screen here and there, then you have to use pan. Zoom. If you have to zoom in or zoom out. Zoom window. You have to select the window and the camera shows everything in that window. Zoom extents, if you are lost in zoom, then by clicking this it zooms to the extent. Then these two tools are used for look around, and this is for position camera. You can position camera. And this is a shadow toolbox. If you have to give shadow to your object in the SketchUp, here you can give it. These are the months: January, February, March. 12 months are given. You can select the months, any month which you want, and the time scale. You can go to any time which you want. This is rendering. That is, I am using Twilight Render. So Twilight Render box. Then looking here, these materials. Uh, Generally we are started, so it is given default. Then there are various materials provided by SketchUp. These are various materials provided by SketchUp. These are various material provided by SketchUp. This is wood window coverings. If you select, you can see these window coverings, asphalt and concrete. You can use to fill the materials. Their carpet fabrics are given. Then, then comes the next option, that is components. When you create any component using this option, then these are shown in this component. Next is styles. Simple any style if you build, it is shown here. Then layers. Like in AutoCAD, we are working in layers. SketchUp also provide you option to work in layers. You can create here layer or delete layer from this. Then the shadow. As you can see here, it is only given in months and time. You can do detailed shadow in this. You can select the time, date. Here you can time, date. You can say light or dark mode. Also you can use some for shading. Then scenes. If you are creating any scenes and saving that, the scenes are shown here. You can create scene using this or remove scenes. Then it is instructor. Instructor is useful for beginners. As you can see, click on eraser. It shows the detail of eraser, what you can do with the eraser. If we select circle, then circle tool, for example, doing scale, then it shows scale. This is all about getting started with SketchUp. I will be uploading the further videos explaining the detail of the each and every tool. So stay tuned with us.